2 years ago, whereas ito si Manny Pacquiao turned pro only this year. Laroa just came back from...
This is the first round, so they're still measuring each other. Probing round pa po. Kaliwete po, the young...
Manny Pacquiao sneaky in a few punches. Action in this round so far.
Yes,
The
Laroa
crowd
also
getting
not...
impatient dito po sa Washington Sports Complex.
That's a good in white. What is so good about Pacquiao is he's so young and he's only 17. Malaking bagay sa kanya yan. For main event tonight.
The head of Manny Pacquiao.
Ito, kumukombinasyon na si...
Ito si Lito Laroa, being the veteran, is not going to be a patsy
Of
for
course.
Manny Pacquiao. You can be sure.
Kaya maganda ito.
Laroa has 2 knockouts in 4 victories.
Ng kumilos. Good fight.
Manny Pacquiao
there goes
teeing
Pacquiao.
off on Lito
Kumilos,
Laroa. But
for a while.
magandang hand speed ni Manny Pacquiao.
Oh yes, definitely.
Very quick combinations.
Ito, may mga pumapasok na. Baka nasa...
Shell, he's not
That's right.
fighting back too much. There you go.
He is
Laroa
countering.
now is coming back.
Yes, he's countering. Yes, that's it. Giving a lot of punishment now to Laroa. Anyway, lamang na lamang po si Pacquiao in that round. Let's see again. Dahil kasi gusto rin niyang manghina itong si Pacquiao in the future, no? Malinis pa. So we're going to have a clear winner here.
Ayun po, a nice combination compared to Pacquiao, who turned pro only early this year.
That's right, veteran. Although ito namang si playing as a young man.
Oo.
Talagang ito.
Parang niroropa dope ni
Oh.
ni Laroa yung time.
Oo. Birahin mo ng birahin, hindi tatalikod-talikod. Nako, hindi pwede kay Laroa yun. Pero tatalunin sa sipag to.
In the face of Lito Laroa.
That's right, throwing combinations. Although they hardly hurt. Oh, there goes Laroa coming back.
Well, Lito Laroa certainly a big test here for Manny
Sipak
Pacquiao.
ng bata. Look at that. He's having... Okay.
Nice lateral movement by Manny Pacquiao. Look at the way.
If they bring him up right, if they're not in a hurry, this boy will develop into something.
A nice foot speed also being shown by Manny Pacquiao.
Yes, yes.
Ayun. Well, Lito Laroa,
If I were
hindi niya maabutan ito si Manny Pacquiao.
That's right.